This man learned that salt, pepper and lemon can solve these health problems. Nature gives us a complete variety of plants, which not only bring spectacular flavors to the meals, but are very beneficial for our organism. Such is the case of black pepper. Among its many health benefits we can highlight the following. It has antioxidants that collaborate in the fight against cancer, liver problems and cardiovascular diseases, helps to eliminate fats and therefore to lose weight, relieves symptoms of colds and respiratory processes. The skin benefits from the peppermint that contains pepper and helps in the creation of pigments. It is a potent antibacterial element that helps our body fight against infections of all kinds. It effectively prevents fluid retention by eliminating it through sweat and urine. Another amazing resource is lemon. Lemon juice is a very potent agent as it contains antibacterial, antiviral and boosting properties for the immune system. It is also abundant in bioflavonoids, pectin, limonene, citric acid, magnesium, calcium and vitamins, so it is beneficial against diseases and infections. Pepper and lemon, when combined with salt, form a potent remedy that can help you solve many health problems. These are the health problems you can solve by combining salt, pepper and lemon. 1. Sore throat. If you have a sore throat, take a spoonful of lemon juice mixed with salt and black pepper. Mix and drink. 2. Clogged and inflamed nose. For the covered nose and it is difficult to decongest it, mix these 3 ingredients with cinnamon, cumin and black cardamom, all in the same amount. Then you should smell this mixture for 5 minutes. 3. To lose weight. If you want to lose some weight, in a glass of water and mix 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons lemon juice and a spoonful of honey. Consume once a day. 4. Nausea. Black pepper and water with a little fresh lemon may be helpful in relieving nausea. 5. Asthma. Asthma attacks can be reduced with black pepper. Uses 8-10 grains of black pepper, clove, 2 egg yolks, 15 leaves of basil and boiled water. Let stand for 15 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of honey.